Hello, fourth graders. All right, today in English, we're going to be working on workbook page 47. So go ahead and get your workbooks and turn with me. Write your name at the top just for practice, continued practice. Okay, I'm going to start calling this box the box of wisdom because this is your reference to complete this workbook page and the page that follows. So this kind of breaks it down. This week we're talking about common nouns, singular and plural, but some of them, to make plural, we have to change the ending of the word or adding certain things. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So a singular noun names one person, place, or thing, whereas a plural noun names more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing. Okay. So for example, the word astronaut is just a plural or a noun. Astronaut, just a common person, you add s. So add s to form the plural of most nouns. Doesn't say all, it does say most. So some nouns, remember the English language is weird because there's some rules that they make up and it applies to everything but one example. Okay, and that's where it gets a little tricky. That's where you have to make sure you're paying attention and knowing the rules. Okay, here we have the word plane, we add s, star, we add s. You add es to form the plural of nouns ending in only these letters. So if your word or noun, ends in s, sh, ch, double s, x, or z, we add es, for example, and they give them to you in the purple bubble. Next part, add s to form the plural of nouns ending with a vowel plus y. So we have monkey, here's my vowel e, plus a y, we add an s. Keys, here's my vowel, plus a y, add an s. And trays, okay? And then the last clue or rule is if it ends in a y, so think of baby, B-A-B-Y, you're changing the y to an I, and you're adding es to form the plural of nouns and that's ending in a consonant plus a y. So up here was ending with a vowel plus y. Here it's ending in a consonant. So it's ending in a B and then the y. Change the y to an I, add es. So babies, bakeries, candies. Those are your examples. Okay? All right. We're going to do this part together and then tomorrow we'll come back and you'll do page 48 by yourself. All right. And I don't think I need a video for that. I'm doing a video for all of these, but I think you're good enough to do just work. So I'll just assign workbook page 48 for the next day and then you can turn it in, okay? So here, the first set of directions, you're writing S if the underlined noun is singular, writing P if the underlined noun is plural. So you're just looking basically at the underlined words. If you're not sure, just looking at those words, read the whole sentence. So number one, the National Air and Space Museum is in Washington, D.C. Is that true or false? That is true, and I only say it because Mrs. Connor has been there. Now, it's been a long time, but it was a super cool museum. If you've ever been there or want somewhere to go there. It's super, super neat. So we're looking at the National Air and Space Museum, and that is singular. Let me erase my dot there, okay? Number two, the collection of aircraft and spacecraft at the museum is huge. That's singular as well. Visitors, exhibits are both plural. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Now, down here, you're writing the plural of each singular noun. Mrs. Connor, I don't know how to make this plural. Okay, friends, I hear you, and all you got to do is come back up, let me get me a pointer, and look at your reference wisdom box, okay? Because that gives you the answer. So, for number 5, glass, it ends in a double S, so we add es. Church ends in ch, we add what? Es. House ends in what? Just your normal se, house. It's just add an s. Toy, here we go. It ends in a o or a vowel plus the y, so we add just an s. Puppy ends in a consonant plus y, so we add ies. We change the y to an I. Box ends in x, we add a es. Wish ends in sh, we add es. Same with brush. Party We have a consonant plus a Y. Change the Y to an I, add ES. And then we have donkey is our vowel plus a Y, so we just add an S. Okay? Not too terrible, pretty easy. Tomorrow you'll just do workbook page 48 and turn in, and that's it for today. Thanks, guys. See you later.